Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to lower your graphics settings in Valorant. Head into Settings, find the Graphics tab, and turn off unnecessary features like bloom and lens distortion. Lower your texture quality to medium or low depending on your system. These changes will immediately boost your frame rate without affecting gameplay too much. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers right now. Whether you're running NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, outdated drivers are killing your performance. Visit the manufacturer's website, download the latest version, and install it. This is one of the fastest ways to gain frames. Step 3. Close background applications that are hogging your CPU and memory. Discord, Chrome with multiple tabs, and streaming software all drain resources. Before launching Valorant, shut down everything unnecessary. Check your task manager and kill processes you don't need running. Step 4. Adjust your monitor refresh rate and resolution. If you're playing on a lower-end system, drop to 1080p instead of higher resolutions. Make sure your monitor refresh rate matches what your PC can actually output. There's no point pushing 240 frames if your monitor only displays 144. Step 5. Finally, consider underclocking your GPU slightly to reduce heat and improve stability. Use tools like MSI Afterburner to lower your power limit by 10 to 15%. This keeps your card cooler and more consistent, actually giving you steadier frame rates throughout long gaming sessions.